Hi everyone, I'm Local 10's Chief Meteorologist Betty Davis. Here is Hurricane Maria. As of 5 p.m. Thursday, it has maximum sustained winds of 120 miles per hour, moving northwest at 9 miles per hour. It still is lashing Puerto Rico, by the way, so the rains, the clouds still hovering over that area, but the more intense rain bands being felt in areas of the Dominican Republic. The core of the system offshore, off that north shore of the Dominican Republic as it's moving toward the northwest, and also notice those outer bands already reaching the Turks and Caicos. So tropical storm conditions beginning to spread over the Turks and Caicos Islands. As we're moving through tonight, the core of the system expected to pass near or just east of the Turks and Caicos and southeast Bahamas late tonight into early Friday. It's a Category 3 hurricane. By Saturday, it's forecast to come down to Category 2 status. And notice on this projected path, so far, it appears the core should stay east of the central and northwest Bahamas, and in fact, off the east coast of the U.S. through Tuesday. It is something we'll continue to monitor. Meantime, back here at home, the fall season starts tomorrow, but at least for this last summer's night, we are looking at fair conditions, we'll say. Just partly cloudy skies, slight chance of a stray shower coming into the east coast areas off the Atlantic waters as our winds start to become more east-northeasterly into the start of fall. Rain chance increasing too to 50% both Friday, Saturday, Sunday, a 40% chance of rain, but notice the rain chance declining into the middle of next week down to just 20%. This happens as some drier air works into the region, but it still stays very warm as we head over the next several days, noting that the average high temperature for this time of the year is 89 degrees. So just because we're heading into the fall season doesn't mean we're anticipating a dramatic drop in temperatures. So that's the forecast. Have a great night.